Hi everyone, welcome to The Silver Lining. Subscribe to our page before we start. Today I'm going to show you guys how to unbox your brand new premium starter kit. This will come in a larger box with the diffuser that you chose, and then this you're going to take off the jacket, pull the satin ribbon, and in this pocket there's some reading material from Mary and Gary Young. Then you are going to take off this top, and there are your beautiful 10 oils. The top line, as you know from your 101 class or from the leader that enrolled you, is your Vitality line. These are labeled for ingestion. Your bottom line is the standard oils. These 10 oils are the most used oils, which is why they're in the kit. If you look at the back, there is a little stand. So if you are not an oily person yet, this is your first oily go-to, you can use this little stand to display your oils in your house until you get yourself a beautiful case or shelf for all your oils. So there you go. They stand up. Then when you take that out, look in the back. A lot of people forget to look in the back. And in here you'll find your Thieves Household Cleaner. So get yourself an amber spray bottle and read the directions on the back for the dilution that you need for your cleaning. You're going to get 2 packets of the Ningxia Red in the back. Then you will get your free oil Stress Away. This is one of my favorites. You'll also get this roller ball top. As you begin to oil, you'll learn more about using roller balls and creating your own roller blends. So what you can do is take this dropper top off. Oops, sorry. Pop it off using the cap. It's the easiest way. Pop the roller top on here. Okay, so there you go. And then you can use this to roll on. You can leave it in your purse or wherever you would like to and use it all the time. Now we're just going to pop this back on. You'll also get these little amber bottles. You want to store your essential oils in amber bottles or the blue bottles that you can purchase, because if you put them in plastic, it will melt the plastic away. Because as we know, essential oils remove toxins and plastic is full of it. So you can use this to either add 5 drops of each oil that you have here along with a carrier oil, and then throw these in your purse with a little label or your diaper bag with a little label, and then you'll always have your oils with you. Or like I did, I brought my kit everywhere with me when I first purchased it, and when people came to me with different ailments or different blends that they wanted to try, I would just give it to them in these little bottles and they could try it. If you don't add a carrier oil, they can dump this right into a diffuser. If you do, then they should only use it topically. So there is how you unbox your premium starter kit. Don't forget all the free goodies that are behind your 10 oils. Have a good day.